This video reviews the Schwinn SC Power assembly procedure. Step 1. Remove the bike from the cardboard box as shown and identify the owner's manual and hardware card. Step 2. With the front foam packaging connected for stability, tip the bike forward on its flywheel. Slide the threaded stabilizer plate in and use a 13mm socket to secure the rear stabilizer into the frame, using two M8 by 39mm bolts and M8 washers. Step 3. Fully fasten the pop pin into the frame, then slide the seat post into the frame and secure it using the pop pin. Step 4. Using the bike foam for protection, tilt the bike back on its seat post. Slide the threaded stabilizer plate in and use a 13mm socket to secure the rear stabilizer to the frame using two M8 by 39mm bolts and M8 washers. Step 5. Insert the trapezoidal fore-aft locking nut into the handlebar post, then slide the handlebars on. Secure the threaded collar locking nut through the handlebars and into the fore-aft locking nut using a 10mm Allen key. Then, install one M8 washer and the fore-aft adjustment knob into the threaded collar locking nut. Step 6. Pull down on the seat slider locking pin, then slide the seat assembly onto the seat post. Tighten the fore-aft knob to adjust and lock the seat slider into place. Step 7. Install the pedal into the crank arm, then use a torque wrench and an 8mm Allen socket to secure the crank bolt from the other side of the pedal, torquing to 33 to 37 foot-pounds, or 45 to 50 Newton meters. Repeat this step for the right or left side pedal. Note, the pedal must be torqued to the above specifications, otherwise a failure of the pedal may occur. Step 8. Build the console bracket assembly loosely and then attach it to the handlebar. Ensure the top vanity cover fits the bracket opening. Once the console bracket is in place, fully tighten the four M4 by 16mm screws with a 2.5mm Allen key. Step 9. Slide the console onto the bracket, then secure it using one M3 by 6mm screw. Plug the data cable into the back of the console, and then use a 2.5mm Allen key to attach the strain relief bracket using two M3 by 12mm screws. Install the cable grommet into the handlebar post. Step 10. Please reference the following procedural videos for next steps on verifying power meter and console firmware, pairing, and 0-point calibrating the power meter.